to my channel, and I want to say a special welcome to everyone who has subscribed. For new subscribers, hello. Today's video will be a yes to video. It will be a Yin Yang double masking kit, and I found this one at Target, and I thought it was like super interesting and maybe a fun little video that I could do with CasualBarehn. Something he can probably do himself. Anyway, I really wanted to do something fun with CasualBarehn, but I also wanted to see what the Yin Yang symbol actually meant. So here is a little bit of what I found. I found out about the Yin Yang symbol was that it's actually a Chinese religious symbol that has to do with philosophy. The yin part of the symbol, the dark part, it's associated with shadows, femininity, and darkness, whereas the yin part of the symbol, which is the light part, it represents growth, passion, and brightness. That is a little bit of what I found out about the Yin Yang symbol. So I found out on Google. I really wanted to find out for myself what the Yin Yang symbol represented because I had no idea, and I didn't want to project anything offensive in any sort of way. So I actually wanted to find something out about the actual symbols. I changed my clothes and I put on this headband and I'm ready. I have CasualBarehn with me here to be the yang part of the mask right here. I'm going to try and find the line and cut it like so. There's your part. You have the white charcoal part, and I have the dark, as usual, detoxifying black charcoal. Get it down really good in here, so that way when you rip it off, it's not splattered everywhere.
Yeah, I don't want my mask scattered and splattered.
Yeah, exactly. I want to see how yours is.
Good. What?
It smells super clean, like super clean and fresh.
Wait, this is the same.
Oh my god, mine's leaking out of the bottom. There we go. No, I made a mess already.
Oh, it smells so good. Smell it.
I'm like, It does smell good. It smells very fresh. I wouldn't say manly, but like a guy can use it as well. You know, there's no feminine tones. It's just, you know, a mask.
I'm just doing it like the guy on the wrapper.
Yeah. Well, I'm over here like struggling to even get something out. Oh no. Don't fall.
Oh, wait a minute. Whatever, it don't matter. I'm just gonna do my whole face then.
You could do your whole face. That's what I was going to do. I'm doing my whole face. This one smells good too. They both smell good. I like them. We're purifying and detoxing. Isn't it nice, cool, and refreshing? Because that's how I feel. I was like super hot in here, and now I'm like, oh, it's cooling down in here. I think I'm done with mine.
Damn, you were fast.
Well,
I might have got out of the gate first, but I sure as hell didn't finish first. I'm over here all like...
Help me! I don't think you want my help.
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you. There, I run you over with my car. Not for real. You don't have to like be all fancy with it. You can just dive in there and just like. So how do you like it so far?
It's good.
Yeah.
Smells awesome.
I think he's finally done putting on the mask.
2,000 years later.
The mask has to sit for about 10 minutes, so we'll be back in 10 minutes. Masks are off finally now. So what did you think of the mask?
Well, the mask, let me start off with the positive. The mask was good. It made my face nice, smooth, and soft.
It really is smooth, just like mine.
The only thing I have to say negative is either it wasn't mentioned or we missed something in the instructions, but the white one, the one that I used, Yang,
Yeah, the Yang, I was the Yin.
I think it was supposed to moisturize because it didn't come off without soap. I had to use soap in order to remove it. Even though she was saying I wasn't doing it right, but whatever.
You weren't. Like, I don't know what happened with your mask. Mine came off nice. I felt refreshed. It was easy to apply and easy to take off. And it was just all around good. You have oily skin, so maybe that was a thing too.
Nope.
You have oily skin.
Y'all at home, when you use a mask that's got essential oil and clay in it, you can tell, right? Because I could tell. Like when I was applying it, I thought, well, this isn't charcoal.
It was supposed to be charcoal.
It felt like foundation or something. And with
Mine felt
foundation,
normal.
you gotta use a makeup remover, and then you gotta use a face wash, right? With this, I went in there, I rinsed, and got most of it, but my face was, still ghost. So I went back in with the face soap. Thank God she's got face soap. But I like the mask.
I like the mask too. I really recommend that you go to Target and pick yourself one up today, tomorrow, whenever. They're actually good. Maybe you can combine them like the picture showed, or just do one part one day and one part the next time. So it's kind of versatile like that. I want to thank CasualBarehn for joining me on this video, even though his mask didn't really work out for him, but it's okay.
It was a surprise.
It was supposed to be a fun masking video.
I had fun.
Thank you so much for watching my Yin Yang double masking kit video from Yes2. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I would super appreciate it so much, and I want to thank all of the new subscribers for being here and tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Why not? It's free, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for any of my uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.